Hi everyone, in this course, we are going to learn how to download logs of Taurus Media Player. To get the logs of Taurus Media Player, we need to use Viplex Express software. Install Viplex Express software, go to Wi-Fi list of your laptop, find the AP Wi-Fi of Taurus Media Player, which is named with serial number. Type in default password 12345678 to connect the laptop with Taurus Media Player. When it's connected, double-click to run Viplex Express software. You will see the terminal online. Click Refresh to make sure the connection is good and stable. Next, let's say why we need to download the logs. Sometimes when the Taurus Media Player has some strict problems, such as 4G mobile network is not working, the licenser is malfunctioning, and the firmware cannot be updated, and so on. In order to figure out the root cause and solution of the problem, we need to analyze the logs and to do more detailed troubleshooting. Now let's see how to download the logs. First, make sure the terminal is well connected. Right-click the online terminal. You will see the download operation log. Click it. They will pop up a window to let you find a path for the logs. Choose a place to save the logs. Then click OK. The logs will be downloaded automatically. For better understanding of the logs, let's see what files are included. Extract the log file, you will see two folders. One is log, the other is running log. There are three folders under logs, which are 4G check log, SDK log, and update log. The 4G check log is used to troubleshoot 4G network problems. It records all of the working status of the 4G module. SDK log is for secondary development problems, and the update log will record all of the firmware update history. Open the running log folder, you will see multiple files named with dates, which listed all of the detailed information of the terminal operation, including error messages. Okay, that's all for downloading the logs of Taurus Media Player. Thanks for watching.